bless you. God bless you. Today I want to make some grilled cheese and I want to share it with you. All right, guys, let's start, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna start my grilled cheese right now. Okay, this is what I'm going to make it on. Okay, so this is my bread. So I'm gonna take a little butter, just butter it a bit. But if you don't want to use the butter, you know what you can use? You can use some mayonnaise. Okay, so the mayonnaise work too. And if you want to use the unsalt butter, you can use unsalt. But for me, I don't want an unsalt butter. So you definitely want to toast that bread. Give it a nice, golden look. You want that, looking for that golden look. So guys, this is my grilled cheese sandwich, guys, and I put a little twist to it. If you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe. All right, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. All right, thank you so much for watching. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.